How to change country on the Shein app. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can change country on the Shein app, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to change the country on the Shein app, all you have to do is first of all just go ahead and launch Shein. Then let's say that your location is based on some area and then you want to change the location. To do that, just tap the me icon from the bottom right hand corner of the screen, then just tap the gear icon from the very top right hand side of the screen. As you do that, here you'll find a section where it says location. So if you'd like to change the location, just tap on it. Currently mine is set to United States, so if you want to actually set it, then you can just select any of the other locations that you want here. Tap on the continue button. It will log you out of the account and then you have to log in back again though, and your location will be successfully changed. And that is it on how you can change the country on the Shein app. We hope the video was helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.